On 6:32, it is a pivotal day for Donald Trump, capping off a busy week of court action for the former president. The judge in his New York civil fraud trial is expected to issue his verdict in just hours. This decision that could mean Trump could never do business in New York again, along with hundreds of millions of dollars in possible penalties. And it comes after the judge in Trump's New York hush money case confirmed Mr. Trump will face his first criminal trial set to begin next month. Meanwhile, in Georgia, more testimony today in a hearing that could derail the Georgia election interference case against Trump. So much to get to and break down this morning. Eyewitness News reporter Phil Taitt live in Lower Manhattan. Phil, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. After a months-long civil fraud trial, former President Donald Trump will learn this verdict as the Trump Organization now faces millions of dollars worth in penalties. This all tied to them falsifying documents, inflating their wealth on paper in order to secure loans as well as some deals. Now, later today, we expect Judge Arthur Engoron's decision after 2.5 months of testimony from 40 witnesses, including Trump. Now, the judge will make this decision as juries are not allowed in this type of lawsuit. Now, Attorney General Letitia James, who filed the suit, is calling for a $370 million penalty and a ban on Trump and others accused from doing business here in the state. Well, today's ruling all on the heels of yesterday's final pre-trial hearing as an alleged hush money scheme will go to trial. Those jury selections will get underway on March 25th. Well, as Trump balances campaigning, a busy week of court action, well, he had much to say at yesterday's appearance.
I'm going to have to sit here for months on a trial. I think it's ridiculous. It's unfair. So instead of being in South Carolina and other states campaigning, I'm stuck here. It's an election interference case. Nobody's ever seen anything like it in this country. It's a disgrace.
And down in Atlanta, an evidentiary hearing took place that's tied to the 2020 interference election case. We know that the Fulton County DA took center stage as she went to the podium. And here in New York, we had that final public hearing as we know that criminal case will get underway just next month. That's the very latest.